Hey guys, Kylie Matthews here, and today I have something to tell you. I won't be doing any videos of winter because winter is my least favorite season. Okay. Then after the snow is over, maybe I can do some.
I need it again. The snow fell off of it. It's stuck again.
Some severe thunderstorms if when we don't have winter anymore until next year.
The laundry room is someplace that I don't even allow guests.
All right, be wrapping paper.
I'll do videos of the severe thunderstorms, not winter.
Housing pants and
Try to
Anyways,
get like underneath the windshield
this
wiper.
is Kylie Matthews
personal design consultant to come
signing
over.
out. Hope I make videos
I
of
spent a good majority of my Saturday checking out the website, California
severe
Closet.
thunderstorms in the summer and
Here's a
spring
good
once
number
this
of
is over.
different
Bye.
configurations on the site